Key property market trends to look out for in 2023. More advancements in property management need to be kept up with every year, including technology advancements, chances for growth, and obstacles to overcome. Nevertheless, the trends in the property management market are the most crucial thing to pay attention to because they dictate how we should pivot, advance, and conduct business, both now and in the long run. The real estate market is going to go through a period of a significant shift in 2023. Technology will continue to be the sector's primary driver of advancement, and an increased emphasis will be placed on ecological responsibility. This video explores the trends that are anticipated to impact the property management industry in the year 2023. Number 10. COVID-19 impact, rising home ownership. The U.S. home ownership rate in the first quarter of 2019 was 64.2%. The percentage increased to 65.3% in Q1 2020 and reached 67.4% in Q3 of the same year. This is a reflection of customer demand for ownership of a home. Furthermore, the primary motivators may be worries about health and safety. Another aspect of it can be the gradual return to social life and remote working. This can be deduced from the rise in housing preferences described above, such as the need for home offices, outdoor facilities, and larger areas. Number 9. Millennials being homebuyers. Unbelievably, millennials are the majority of buyers of residential real estate. This generation's members have been able to secure steady employment, and their household incomes have risen to $88,200. Millennials, who make up 38% of the market, favor middle and upper class homes the most. Number 8. The interest rates on mortgages ought to be lowered. The reduction in mortgage rates is another trend that people should keep an eye out for. The trust premium has been withdrawn from the products of a significant number of lenders ever since Rishi Sunak became the Prime Minister. In the meantime, the markets have begun to see some degree of stability, which has already prompted several lenders to begin reducing the interest rates that they charge for mortgage repayments. As a result, mortgage rates should continue falling to roughly 5% by the year 2023 and could decrease even further if the Bank of England's base rate reaches its maximum of 4.5%. Number 7. A cooling off period. The economy of the United Kingdom is currently teetering on the brink of a protracted downturn. As a result, the first development to keep an eye out for is a period in which the real estate market will see a slowdown. The economic downturn, in conjunction with other factors such as rising interest rates and the conclusion of government programs such as Help to Buy, will have the effect of dampening market activity and demand. As a consequence, this will result in decreased prices, but perhaps not to the same level that it did in 2007. Prices are not expected to fall as much as they have in the past during recessions due to low supply as well as the newly implemented stamp duty holiday. Number 6. Increase in the demand for property management services. The modern era of rental property management, along with increased tenant expectations, means that landlords are under an increasing amount of strain as a result of the ever-increasing demands placed upon them. As the amount of strain that landlords are under increases, it becomes increasingly obvious to them that property management services can offer significant value. The knowledge and experience of a property manager can help provide maintenance recommendations, collect rent, and ensure compliance. When combined with the most recent innovations in property management technology, property management services will become more appealing to landlords in 2023 due to the time and financial benefits they can provide. Number 5. The property management industry is continuing to become more automated. Since quite some time ago, there has been a growing tendency in the field of property management toward the use of PropTech, and there is no evidence that this movement will slow down in 2023. The property technology industry is expected to experience tremendous expansion over the next 10 years, with analysts projecting that the market size would increase from $18.2 billion in 2022 to $86.5 billion in 2032. New cloud services and increasingly intelligent automation software can lead to improvements in decision making, which in turn can lead to time and money savings, increased occupancy, and improved convenience. Number 4. The continued expansion of property management portfolios. As a result of the global community's complete recuperation from the pandemic, the real estate management industry is gradually regaining its pre-pandemic level of activity. There has been an increase in property managers' levels of optimism regarding the expansion of their portfolios, with 54% of respondents anticipating that their portfolios will grow significantly within the next 2 years. Property managers are ready to expand their portfolios in 2023 and beyond thanks to the increasing demand for property management services and the power of the latest PropTech innovations. Automating crucial aspects of property management helps property management companies become more efficient, which in turn enables them to expand their portfolios more rapidly than ever before. Number 3. A closer look is being taken at energy efficiency. Throughout the year 2023, the real estate sector, like the majority of other industries, will maintain its efforts to become environmentally responsible. The 27th Conference of the Parties, COP27, took place in Egypt at the end of November 2022 and addressed several crucial issues that were important for individuals concerned with property to be aware of. The importance of reducing carbon emissions in the real estate industry was brought up. This has been a matter of debate in the industry for several years. According to statistics provided by the UK government, the cost of decarbonizing just the buildings in the public sector might range between £25 and £30 billion. The minimum energy efficiency standards for domestic rental premises in England and Wales will be revised in 2025 as a result of the implementation of new EPC measures, which will take effect that same year. To avoid financial penalties, landlords should immediately start making preparations for the upcoming adjustments. Number 2. The build-to-rent industry is thriving as a new trend. After exhibiting remarkable fortitude in the face of the pandemic, the build-to-rent (BTR) sector in the United Kingdom maintained significant growth during the entirety of 2021 and 2022. B was successful in collecting rent, maintaining high renewal rates, and keeping voids and arrears to a minimum. The number of BTR properties that were either in the process of being built, were still in the planning stages, or had been finished increased by 13% during the second quarter of 2022. In addition to this, the number of local authorities that have BTR developments in the planning stages has reached a record high of 45%, up from just 25% in 2015. Number 1. Impact of the autumn budget. Late in 2022, the position of a property manager may be significantly impacted by a few key changes that were included in Chancellor Jeremy Hunt's autumn budget. Starting in April 2023, the tax-free allowance for capital gains will drop from £12.300 to £6.000, and then it will drop to £3.000 1 year later. To revive the property market, reductions in stamp duty have been revoked. There is no requirement for a referendum to be held for councils to increase council tax by up to 5%. This places further strain on household finances. In 2023, some tenants could be put in a tough financial position due to growing energy prices, which will coincide with an inflation rate that is at its highest level in 40 years. As a result, property managers need to come up with innovative strategies to assist renters. Are you looking for a more in-depth exploration of the most recent trends, issues, and predictions in property management? The most effective place to begin is with our report on the state of property management in 2023. This is end of this video. Do you feel it helpful? Make sure to give your valuable response in our comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.